Any tiny corner can destroy an entire machine. Not because the material is weak, but because stress becomes trapped in one small area. And this hidden engineering problem is called stress concentration. Today, you'll see why mechanical parts fail near holes, corners, and keyways, and how engineers prevent catastrophic failures using simple design changes. When force acts on a smooth component, stress distributes evenly. But the moment we add a hole, sharp corner, groove, or sudden shape change, the stress flow gets disturbed. Instead of spreading smoothly, stress gets crowded into a tiny region. That region experiences much higher stress than the rest of the component. This phenomenon is called stress concentration, and this is exactly where cracks begin. Look at this rotating shaft. Everything seems normal, but near the keyway, stress repeatedly concentrates during rotation. Tiny microscopic cracks start forming. With every cycle, the crack grows larger. And one day, complete failure occurs. This happens in shafts, gears, welded joints, bolt holes, aircraft structures, bridges, and even smartphone frames. Most mechanical failures start from stress concentration zones. Not from the center, not from smooth surfaces, but from geometric discontinuities. Method 1. Add fillet radius. This is one of the most powerful solutions. Sharp corners trap stress. Smooth fillets allow stress to flow gradually. Larger radius means lower stress concentration. That's why engineers avoid sharp internal corners. Method 2. Avoid sudden section change. Sudden diameter reduction creates stress spikes. Instead, use smooth transitions. Stress prefers gradual geometry changes. Method 3. Improve surface finish. Surface roughness behaves like tiny cracks. Polishing and proper machining reduce crack initiation. Better finish means better fatigue life. Method 4. Use relief grooves carefully. Proper groove design redistributes stress. Incorrect groove design can increase failure risk. Even small geometry changes matter in machine design. Method 5. Use FEA simulation. Modern engineers use finite element analysis to identify dangerous stress zones before manufacturing. FEA helps optimize shape, fillets, and material selection. This saves cost and prevents real-world failures. So remember this, machines rarely fail randomly. Most failures begin from stress concentration areas. A tiny sharp corner can become the starting point of catastrophic failure. And sometimes, adding just a small fillet radius can increase component life dramatically. That is the power of smart mechanical design.